Hello, Nokomis neighbors. Nate Lansing here. Happy July. Today is July 8th. It is the second Thursday of the month, and it is time to take a look back at what happened in the Nokomis housing market in the month of June. Try to use that and kind of look forward to what we might see for the rest of the summer. So let's take a look at the numbers, see what happened in June, and go from there. So in the month of June, there were 121 new listings in the Nokomis area. That's up quite a bit from where we were in May at 110. So we got a bit of a jump in June with new listings. Good news for buyers, not bad news for sellers either, actually. So we'll see how's that affected, if that trend continues through the summer. Last year, towards the summer, end of the summer months, we started to see listings really jump. So we will see if that happens again this year. An interesting number that I noticed over the month of June was the number of closed sales. There were 122 closed sales in the month of June, which is way, way, way up from where we were in May. There were only 72. So, a lot of activity in June. Probably some of those sales were from houses that hit the market in May, but definitely a spike in activity. I think that closed number probably is helped by the number of listings that hit the market. It allows that number to really jump. Let's see. So in the month of June, days on market ticked up a little bit to 6 days from 4, which 4 is insanely low in May. Long story short, houses are still selling very, very quickly right now. We're not seeing necessarily the crazy multiple offer situations that we were seeing 2 or 3 months ago. But buyer demand is still very, very strong, and houses are selling very, very quickly. The median sales price in the month of June was another all-time record. $334,375, all-time record in the Nokomis area. It's up about 8% from this time last year. That is a pretty big jump in prices year over year. So I expect to see prices to continue to rise. How quickly we will see, I don't expect them to grow as fast as they have over the past year or so, but prices should steadily increase as we head through the rest of the year. So what's this mean for buyers and sellers? If you're a buyer, good news is that we're starting to see a little bit more houses hit the market, more for you to choose from. Their interest rates still remain very, very low. Today I just saw that the 30-year fixed rate mortgage is back down under 3%. So even though prices are up, affordability remains reasonable, because a house that you could buy 3 years ago for a payment of $1,500, you can buy much more house with a cheaper interest rate for that same payment. So affordability, even though prices is way up, it hasn't been affected too much. It's still a good time to buy if you can find a house that meets your criteria. If you're a seller, things are still moving really, really fast. It's still a great time to sell. If you are, looking to buy and sell at the same time, if we get some more houses on the market, that might help, loosen that up for you a bit. So that's kind of where we were in the month of June, and we'll keep an eye on it through July. I expect buyer demand to stay really high. We'll just have to see how many listings we get over the summer to see if we're able to fulfill that demand. So if you have any questions about buying, selling, or any of that, please let me know. I'd be happy to help in any way that I can. Otherwise, I will be back next week for another weekly update to the market, and we will see how things are progressing as we head into the second half of the year. I hope everyone has a great July. I will talk to you soon. Bye.